This is the official unboxing of the Hero 5 GoPro Black Edition, waterproof, whatever. I don't know. I actually don't really know too much about the GoPros. I just know that I need it. I'm going tubing, shooting, so these will allow some close-ups. I don't even need the knife actually, because look, there's this little tear here. Yeah, so I went to Best Buy today to pick up this little Gorilla mic. I can hold it. Oh, I ripped my box, oh no. To pick up this little Gorilla, I can't get it out. Gorilla tripod, then I ended up buying a GoPro, so that's pretty much my life. But that's all right, because good investments, because I need this. Go away, cat. Uh-oh. How'd they expect anybody to do that without ripping the box? Yeah, here's a GoPro. It feels really nice. It's like this matte. It's in a case right now, I think. It's matte, feels nice. But here's the accessory box. Go ahead and lift that up. It says GoPro. Open that up. Who cares about that? Well, look, you get little stickers. I'm not gonna use those. And your manual, which I'm a man, so I don't use manuals, right? So in the box you get two sticky thingies. That's what they're called. You put the GoPro on there and you put this on a surface and it sticks. Oh gosh. And then you get your charging cable, which is pretty thick actually, with 2 C's. And you get your battery. Problem? This battery is 1220 milliamps. It's actually bigger than my Canon, so that's awkward. And that's all I get. And the actual GoPro, I don't know how to... What? Do you guys know how to take this off? What? Oh, hang on. Alright, that's how we're gonna do it. I still don't know how to take it off the, There was this little thing. By the way, this is part of the accessory. You can actually go ahead and use that if you want it. And this is the actual GoPro right here. How to take this off. I don't want to break anything, so I'm just gonna stop. Huh. It feels weird. I don't know how to use these yet. I'm gonna figure it out, and then I'll do a review and some video tests, like for tubing and shit. So I better have this figured out by the next couple of days, actually. But yeah, that's gonna conclude the video. Thanks for watching. This is pretty short, I know. And let me go ahead and give the shout outs again, because I'm Best Buy famous now. I went in there and I got approached by a few people asking if I was in there yesterday and that they watched my video. So that's pretty cool, actually. I like the publicity, but shout out to, I didn't catch the name again, completely forgot. So sorry about that. But shout out to the worker that helped me. I was looking at the wide angle lens for this camera, and she went through all the process of putting it on the display model. So yeah, and I didn't end up buying it, and I ended up buying this, but that's all right. So shout out to you, and with that being said, thank you all for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. Stay blessed.